Hi guys! Today we will learn how to find Clipboard on iPhone. First of all, we will unlock our iPhone so we can start the process easily. Once the phone is unlocked, everything becomes accessible and we can move to the next step smoothly. As soon as the app opens, we will go to the search bar or any text field available on the screen. Now tap on that search bar and this is where things start to get interesting. When you click here, your keyboard will appear, and this is exactly where the clipboard suggestions can show up. Now, when the keyboard appears, you'll notice that sometimes the clipboard content shows up automatically. This usually happens if you have recently copied something, and iPhone suggests it for quick access. So basically, this is how you find the clipboard. It shows up when you're about to paste something. If you want to paste something manually, just tap and hold on the text field. After holding for a second, a small menu will appear and you'll see the paste option there. So if you copied any text earlier, you can easily paste it from here without any issue. And that's it. This is how you can access and use the clipboard on iPhone. It may feel a bit hidden at first because there's no dedicated clipboard app, but once you understand this flow, it becomes super easy. So whether you're copying or pasting, everything works through the keyboard and text fields. So, yeah guys, that's how you can easily find and use the clipboard on your iPhone. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.